Hey guys, hey guys. So sorry that I haven't been posting a lot lately, specifically the last like 2 weeks, because school has started for me in the past month and a half. That's a lie. 4 weeks maybe, and it's just been really hard because I haven't been able to sit down and edit any videos. And that's why I'm not editing this video. I'm just gonna send this straight onto YouTube. But yeah, I just want to give that heads up. So my next few vids might not be able to be edited at all, really, and stuff. But yeah, and I'm just playing Bee Swarm Simulator, which is new to this channel, but I have been playing it quite a bit today, and I haven't played it in so long. So, you know what, this is a game, and I guess they started Beesmas not long ago, or I don't know how long ago, and I'm just trying to get all these quests done. Actually, I'm close with Mother Bear's one, but all I need to do is just collect 5,000 pollen off the rake. Then strawberry make it look 3 more quests, and I'll give you a royal jelly. 11 more quests, and I'll give you my diamond egg. I thought it was gonna be like 3 more quests. Because I have not been checking. Oh yeah, I need to go put that in. And so this is my hive. I have some okay stuff, as you can see. And I just gotta plop in the silver egg real quick. It's stubborn bee, a hard-headed bee who can't be bossed around. It tells others where to go. It's a rare, so I'll take it. Steps is... I for a second here thought that this was the rear Yarkeys. You can see in chat. Wait, I'm watching your vids right now. I seem like such a little goober, but I literally was just watching these vids, and yeah. I need to actually lock in, and I need to collect 100,000 red pollen. I need to collect 10 moon charms for this, so I probably won't be able to get it. So let me clock in Panda Bears, whatever. Yeah, Panda Bear. This quest, because he's actually been sitting there for quite a bit. Ooh, new sticker. Launching rocket. Slots for 15, 16. You have slots? Okay, let's go. That was not a lot. Yeah, I know. I should have definitely done. Wait, what do I need to do? I was not looking at what to do. Defeat 5 spiders. I'm not going to be able to do this for a while. Killing 5 spiders it takes 30 minutes for the spiders to respawn. Meaning 3 times 5 is 15. Meaning it's going to take 15 hours. No, it should take like 30, 60, 90, 120. It should take 2 hours and 30 minutes just to do that, and I don't even know where the zombies are. Just to mention that. Oh! Can I do this in a field I want to do it in? Yes, it's seeming to look a lot like Christmas. Let's go. Give me all this. And I'm still very new to the game. Like, I don't play this game all that much. This is the place I want to do it in. Because I need to collect 100,000. But yeah, I just wanted to check up, get a video out there. Oh, and thank you so much, guys, for 10 subscribers. I know it may not seem like a lot, but It is to me. And shout out to Wikagan. I know it sounds like a weird, funny name, but just shout out to him because him and his fans helped me actually reach, 10 or 11 subscribers as of the last time I checked, which was like a few hours ago. And yes, I did, I think, re-upload. I don't know if I did. I think I did. And, yep. Freaking Darkies! You're not the real one, though, bro. You're not fooling anyone. Actually, he did fool me. Why? I'm gonna, like, leech off you. Is that a star? Oh, what star? Oh, yes, I do have parachute. I'm just trying to grind my honey up right now. I gotta get your honey up, not your funny up. Why? Why did I just say that? But yeah. So, I just wanted to check up. And, I'm actually really close with getting the 100,000. I am gonna, although, since I can very soon, get a new, what do you call it, thing that collects my honey, my little electromagnetic thingy that I have, my magnet. I'm gonna get like a new one of those, and I don't know if I should save up for the 1.5 mil one, which actually I would have reached by now if I didn't buy my speed up thingy that I bought, or if I should just get the 850,000 one. And I'm thinking that with how quick I collect honey now, or pollen now, right? It's pollen? Pollen? No, it's honey. Or no, pollen. I collect pollen. Yeah, no, it's just gonna be easy for me to save up for the 1.5 mil. And, yes, as you can see with this right here, the Honey Day event, for 48 hours, I have been playing. I've been grinding. Where do I have the Looker Guard? Yeah, plus 15,000 capacity. Oh, let's go. I collected it. I didn't even notice. Oh, give me these. No! That was so close. Yes. I hate the fact that I was in air. Or this present thing spawned in air. But yes, I will take you. And let's go. That's one spooter down. I need to collect moon charm tokens, and I completely forgot how to collect those. Or collect 10 moon charms, and I need to have 20 moon charms for B-Bear. And then I need to purchase one offer from B-Bears. What? I have to check out B-Bear again. Actually, I will do that now. I don't know what they're talking about. I only talk to B-Bear when I need to grab a quest, or if I'm finished with quest. I don't know what it's talking about. Let's see. I can already tell this is about to blow my mind or something. And yes, I use this little thingy to get over it. Let me go to you. What? How did I do it? How did I offer such a low price? Over business, a dash of virtual inspiration, and a lot of economy number. Peaceful is unforgiving, grand catalog is sweet. Where is the catalog? Oh, this. The easiest thing I could get here right now, since I have, how much do I have of them? Your quests. 3 of them. The quickest thing I should buy is the quick convert bundle, but that's gonna take most of my snowflakes, and yeah. So I'll check that out later, even though I do have 8 hours left till they reset or something. But yeah, actually, while I'm over here, Neoberry increases bomb with B by 500, makes it radioactive for a while. What? That's so goofy. Let me go to my sticker book. I'm gonna actually add a sticker. Which one should I do? This one's stupid. I like it. I'm gonna place him here. Then a stop sign. Right here. It's perfect. I love it. Peel all? Oh, no. No, I'm good. Not right now. I do need to talk to you, but I'm scared to. Did I complete your quest? Did I? Oh, I didn't even take your quest. Rojo or Gogo? Gojo. Collect 300,000. Bruh. I think the thing just made. I think it made me collect like 250,000. Right? Yeah, made me collect 250,000 of the spider area over here up front. 250,000 of it. And it took me so long. I think I finished it while I was recording this. I don't know. But it just made me do that. And now I have to do another 50,000. You know what? Yeah. Werewolf, why don't I kill you? You do damage. How did I kill you earlier? You do crazy damage. Oh my lord. Oh, well, actually, you're not even that hard. You're hard. Maybe I should just, like, not talk about how hard he is. You are hard, sir. Sir, you are hard. You are very hard to beat. Let's go. Give me the tickets. How much tickets do I have? 80! Oh my god. Oh, what do I have to collect? Give me you. Not you. I will take you, and I will take you. I will take you as well. Those are all the ones I had to kidnap. Something up here, right? Yeah, there's a guy over here. Rest in peace to Ali. Rest in peace to Left Eye. Oh yeah, what do I have to give you? I don't know what I have to give you. It's with your quest. Do I have any quests I have to complete? No, I thought I did for a second there. I need to get 25, man. I do not have that. Yeah, 25 to get up there, that's right. Rest in peace to Left Eye. I see you. First when I die, and she knows. She knows. She knows I know. And she knows I know. No, get away from me. I do not care about you right now. I only care about going to here. The funny thing is I literally was just here. Oh, that's a lot of honey. Oh my god, I love leeching off people. My game is lacking so hard right now. This man. How do you have this much? I get it, you can buy like slots. But they allowed you to have this much slots to where you can go this crazy. Oh my lord. Most of my stuff is just converting right now. Because it's like auto converting. And I'm not mad with it. Oh my god, I love this, man. But yeah, make sure if you want to see more of this, comment down below. Beesmas. Is it Beesmas right now? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Only if you're enjoying the video, which if you're this far in, probably are, so consider liking and subscribing, please. It would be greatly appreciated. Yeah. I don't know what to really talk about right now. There's not a lot to talk about in the game. I'll say that. But yeah, sorry for the 2-week absence. Almost 3-week, whatever. I do not have enough storage on my computer with everything that I have on it. For a second there, that I couldn't even upload export a singular edit, or like a 20-minute edit from CapCut. Because yes, CapCut is the thing I use, because I'm not gonna freaking use $1 bajillion on a monthly subscription. And yeah, although if you have good editing free softwares that I should check out, make sure to comment down below and tell me it. Oh my lord, I'm getting so many. See, I've already passed 1 million, and all I need to get is like 500,000 more. But trust me, it will not be hard. But yeah, I probably said "but yeah" so many times in this video. But yeah, I'm kidding. Worst thing about stars is they burn up. Rest in peace to Alicia. Rest in peace to Left Eye. But yeah, I said it again. Oh my god. What should I talk about? Oh yeah, if you guys want a different make sure to comment down below and yet again add this to your list to comment things about on this video of games on Roblox I should play that are high quality. No, I'm kidding. Just give me your ideas. Please do not make them brain rot though. I don't want to make my brain mush even more. I don't. It's mushy enough. If they were ever to perform a lobotomy on me to make me smart, I would have to become ghetto, whatever. What the heck is that ring? From JJK, and give me a whole entire new brain. I am smooth brain. That is for sure. Unless it comes to games, and I have a bajillion wrinkles. But yeah, I said it again, bruh. But yeah, I'm kidding. I've already also said like a bajillion times in this. I'm making like the same jokes with like different stuff over and over again and just repeating it. I'm a broken record. or whatever you call it. Why am I not collecting a lot of pollen anymore? And it converting to red. Oh yeah, because this isn't all red. Oh, I think an all red one. No, you're still. Oh yeah, why haven't I just followed down here and leech off you again? Why haven't I? Like I'm a ling along. Just leech all day. Leech all day. Leeching all day. Okay, I'm gonna go convert my pollen. Even though it's not max, I don't even care. Give me that, baby. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Actually, hold on, let me see. I should be able to. Yep. This is gonna help me with my quests that I have. Right? Yes, you, right? Yeah, my blackberries honey wraith 2 times. Worst thing about a star is they burn up. Rest in peace to Leah. Rest in peace to Left Eye. Okay, I think this is where I'm going to end off this video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, as always, only if you like the video. But if you haven't made it here this far, you probably do like the video. So, see you in the next one, guys. Bye, you big chunguses.